everyone. So today we are in Soi Rambuttri and also we will explore Khao San Road because so many people also recommend us to come here and to check how is hustle and bustle old town of Bangkok.
And as you can see, I'm gonna tell you, it's very busy, and this is not the Khao San Road itself yet. Khao San Road is the party street. This one is more into street food. So alright, let's explore a little bit of the Soi Rambuttri here. So this is the entrance to the street. There are some other photographers or maybe vloggers, as that's very popular area here for making pictures and videos in general. But also many people coming here to enjoying their time. As you can see, people from all around the world, and that's a lot of people actually. Check this out. So like I mentioned previously, this street is more popular into the street food. Also on these streets here, Soi Rambuttri, but also the the Khao San Road, you can find all the scorpions and other insects to eat. So this is if you are looking for stuff like this one, you can find over here. But also they're selling the ganja marijuana on the jars here and all of these stuffs. All the people enjoying their food, also people younger and older and any kind of age coming here. So it's not only like in other parts, it's maybe only for younger people, but for everybody.
Also behind me is a famous tattoo shop, and that's the alligator grill.
Where is alligator? Alligator over here? Here you go. Alligator over here. Huh? The guy is driving very fast, but you can have a full alligator here. Okay, I will go because he's charging for making the pictures, but for the videos he didn't say anything, so it should be fine. Burger homemade here, like this one. So much is going on. Also they have a spas here, so you can have a massage if you would like to.
Okay, some people also mention that this area, Khao San Road, also Soi Rambutri's area for the backpackers, but we see that it's not only that, but behind me is just like pizza and pasta restaurant with Western food. So what I can say, almost full house. And there I think it's just like tour and travel agency. You see also many people there. So if you want to go to Bangkok in whatever it is, you can go and arrange your tour there. Just like I told you guys, I think that the vibe here is more chill, more relaxed. If you compare with the Khao San Road, with the big loud music party there, here it's just like more into, having a dinner vibe. Like this one, it's not that to the party vibe.
But also this particular restaurant and the corner here, it's very nice and having very good atmosphere. Not mentioned as the post box just on the middle and some bicycles. Now look at the level of details and decorations and everything, and so many people actually enjoying their times. And also on the other side of the street you have a bar. So it's actually very cozy and pretty cool place, I'm gonna tell you guys. And if we are talking about the backpackers, yes, you can find some of them actually right here, right now. So that's why they call it like this one. However, you can find people from all around the world, from any kind of budgets, as Winny mentioned. Okay, let's explore this street before we're gonna go to Khao San Road. Look at this guy, what he have on his head. Look at the lights in this place, in this restaurant. How cute is this? Sayang, is it romantic, isn't it?
Yes. Everything for me with the lights, is romantic.
No matter when and where, yeah? This one is very cool. This restaurant, Molly's bar with this, and many people enjoying the time. And some other YouTubers probably. And another restaurant over here as well. Looking very nice. I'm gonna tell you, I only heard always about the Khao San Road. Not many people mentioning about the Soi Rambuttri. I hope I'm telling this name properly. But this one is actually good and cool. I would say it's even better than Khao San Road itself. And you can have a cool massage here on the street, huh?
Yeah, if you are tired walking, so you just come here to have a foot spa. And the more we walk, the more busy that we see. The restaurant almost full house everywhere.
Yeah, wow. That's true. Restaurants are actually packed. I mean, full houses everywhere. There's not like a little bit busy or a little bit empty. They are just full. And well, now we have a little bit of the street food, like I think so. Or they have a little shawarma here even, if you would like to have it. Falafel, some noodles, pad thais, of course. And I think the live performance somewhere as well is gonna be, because I can hear something like this one. But this restaurant for some reason is a little bit quieter than the previous. So this trip have a really cool vibe. Not mention about this tuk-tuk park sometimes, going to ping pong show in case if you would like to. I thought the ping pong shows are only in Phuket, but actually here as well. This guy is cooking something here cool as well. And as you can see, you can find everything on this particular street. Now it also seems like there are clothes here and like shops with the clothes and backpacks and like that, all of the stuff like this one. Also, I don't know what is this one, tattoo or something, sunglasses, and of course you can buy some joints here if you would like to. It's legal now. Roti and all of this sprinklers, pad thai, stuff like this one. So this one you cannot film, but I'm just on like this one, you know. Take photo, 10 bahts for the. But they don't actually charge for showing this one. That's actually interesting. This is actually funny. They charge you to show the insects. They charge you to show the souvenir. But if you
for cannabis, free of advertising.
Very happy to film. Yeah, that's actually funny. Yeah. Just realized. Okay, let's have a stroll a little bit around more what's going on. Also a lot of people here, especially young people as well. That's unbelievable. Oh, look at this place. This one is cool.
Even though it's, you know, more chill, but look at this restaurant behind me. So packed. I think that most of the restaurant, like this one, you know, like previous one, always pack of the, you know, tourists.
Yeah, so cool. And this one, some reggae vibe here. People just chilling on the stars here. So cool. And well, a lot of places. And I think I don't need to mention, as cannabis shops are on every single corner like this. Thai cannabis dispensary. And this one, like this one with the big neons. Cool. And people even enjoying at the front of it. And there is the competition also the same. And the bars, well, cool. Photo, 10 bahts for insects. You wanna try insects, eh? No?
No.
Guys, I will try all of the insects and the scorpion as the bonus whenever we hit 100,000 subscribers, guys. So smash this subscribe button and like. Quicker we're gonna get the 100k, quicker you're gonna see the video, and that must be funny because I'm not really into this stuff, but I'm gonna do it, especially for you guys. So that's the really huge amount of the tuk-tuks and taxis everywhere around. The guy is smiling. Check this out. The tuk-tuks driving, taxis there. Everybody waiting for the making some business. The guy is cutting the fruits here in the corner. Yeah,
Let's go there. That's another continuation of Soi Rambuttri.
Oh, Soi Rambuttri, sorry. This is the name of the street, by the way, I'm showing you right now, in case you would like to Google about that. It's continuation, and the tuk-tuk's gonna park here, like this one. Cool, huh? Continuation of the street have a little bit more different vibe. Looks like some cozy bars here with the cozy music. Maybe more into dining atmosphere here. However, I can see the pool table there. But there is already quieter, and well, they are looking more into bars. So it's more like a cozy vibe here. As you can see, packed restaurants with the people, of course, and this lady with so many things on her head. But also, as the restaurant is busy, people can sit on the other side of the street, just actually on the street. Also, it's a little bit darker here, so sorry for the lower quality of the video, of course. With the statue, like this one. Another restaurant, Rambuttri Tea Race and Rambuttri Village Hotel at the front. Maybe some of you are familiar with this area. However, the street here, already the second part of the Rambuttri Soi Street, it's more cozy, I could say. I'm not gonna say maybe quieter, just more cozy, like this one. You can have some tasty pad thai for 70 bahts from the stall and eat on the plastic stalls here. And as you can see, actually mostly foreigner visitors eating here. And well, this is actually very cool looking little bar transformed from the old Volkswagen car. This is like a cool vibe in, isn't it? So cool is this?
Yes. Yeah.
So cool. Wow. And you can buy, of course, some dresses, some t-shirts, regular stuff in the tourist hotspots. Oh, here you can buy even the Chang t-shirt, just in case if you would like to have it. But like I said, many people think it's only young people here, but I actually can see so many you know, people from any age actually, right?
So no wonder the number of tourists visiting Thailand is increasing time by time.
Yeah.
And I heard the news is that the 45 days free visa coming to Thailand is extended until the end of this year, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I just read it today. So can be also a Mai Tai pounds here. You can. Oh, nice band here. Check this out. This place, so cool. Very cool music and very cool little bar. Stop thinking, start drinking. Chang. There's some tuk-tuk driving with the guests inside. But check this out. Nice building here. And not sure actually. These streets actually are like never ending. How long they are, right? So cool. So
And
much.
look at this restaurant. Wow.
Oh, this restaurant is actually so cool and so romantic, sayang, actually. So nice.
That is nice.
Nice. Well, that's the Soi Rambuttri street. Remember the name in case if you'd like to come. Let me know if you ever been here, if you're familiar with this place, because everybody talk about the Khao San Road. Not so many people talk about this one, or at least I never heard before. Even I was here last time, I didn't come to see this place, but it's so cool. Yeah, actually very nice. And so many really cozy looking atmosphere restaurants here, even like this one. And the live performance is summer here again. Okay. So actually that's the really cool, romantic and really cozy atmosphere vibes here in Soi Rambuttri. Yeah, that's very definitely like cozy for any kind of age, any kind of vibe, but definitely for chilling and having maybe some dinner and some lunch, maybe some drinks, but in peaceful atmosphere with some live tunes, live performance music. Now we're gonna go to Khao San Road. Everybody to Khao San Road, we have to visit the Khao San Road. Khao San Road is more into party vibe and more wilder scene. I just wanted to notice as every single day, at least once, twice, maybe even more, I hear and I spot some people from Poland speaking my language, which is actually very rare in Bali for some reason. But here, every single day. Even you realize that, right?
Yeah, well, actually, I just, speak a little bit Polish language, but I can hear that, Polish people or Polish tourists are everywhere here, every single corner,
Yeah, that's cool.
Basically, this is the main street, and over there and that way is the Soi Rambuttri, and here is so many taxi and tuk-tuks. Now we are heading to Khao San Road, the world famous Khao San Road, which is famous for the nightlife party. And what I realize here from my observation and Damian's also, mostly the tourists who coming here is coming from American, European, and also Australian. But if we compare last time in Bali is, mostly coming from Australia. But yeah, they are coming, but mostly, dominantly, American and European.
Of course, if you are tired with the local food, somehow you can find the Burger King, Courtyard, something, and even Starbucks is here. So, yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the entrance, one of the two entrances to the legendary Khao San Road, with the huge billboard like this one. Let's see what's gonna be inside. Khaosan, are you excited?
Wow, let's go.
Let's have a look. So we are starting peacefully with some restaurants, bars, with the food options, people sitting on the side of the street, obviously. I think at the beginning of the street they are more still, maybe not quiet, but like a cozy vibes with some stalls, selling like a beers from the esky box, and some mango sticky rice and some noodles and some clothes, obviously. But as I remember last time, on the middle of the street is like a party vibe. So probably I will see you there. Also, they have a McDonald's here, just in case, like I mentioned, if you are tired with the local food. But since I'm in Thailand, I never tried McDonald's yet. Not yet. Some cozy looking vibing bar with the weed society. Like I said, the weed everywhere nowadays, and some loud music bars already starting over here. I think also this is the hotel, but I wish good luck to staying here. And well, what's going on? Alligator here again. Khao San Road, Chang, beers. loud music, party. Yeah, like I mentioned, here will be definitely totally different vibe to compare to the previous street. Lucky cannabis here this Oh my god! And you can make yourself hair. And,
What they have a balloon? What balloon is that? Laughing balloon?
I don't know, laughing balloon or high heaven balloons, something like that. But as you can see, definitely so much people as well here. With that difference is so loud music everywhere around. But like I said, that's two different vibes, guys, two different vibes. Also laughing gas girls here. Laughing gas, here we go. Laughing gas.
I didn't need to have laughing gas. I already laughed.
That's nice. That's the party vibes here. Check this out. Alright, here is some good looking party scene. This feels a little bit like in Canggu in Bali already or something. People dancing on the floor, on this one, bar. Cool vibes. Sayang vibing as well, huh?
Wow.
Like this one. Actually so busy and so much is going on. Lucky beer here, chai. But I think more people actually enjoying the more cozy vibe. Thank you. Rather than the party vibes here for some reason. But that is how it doesn't look like. Khaosan Palace here. And well, no picture, no photo, but they are insects. Just wanted to tell you, like I said already, the vibe on this street is a little bit similar to the Bui Vien in Vietnam, in Saigon. A little bit. Of course different, but little bit, yes. Hello, they have a henna tattoo and something. Yeah, free bucket lah. Check this out, free bucket. Yo, what's up? People waving. You know, regular stuff in the streets like this one. People enjoying their time. Casually, you can have a pad thai or stuff like this, some local foods. You know, sometimes you get hungry, you have to eat. And well, so more and more bars. I'm gonna put my camera higher a little bit so you can have a point of view what's going on. Of course, the massages here. And well, more food actually. It's like a party vibe, but it's not like, you know, it's still enjoyable, I could say, or I could tell you. Of course, so many like hairs and stuff like this one. Okay, Khaosan Spa. Of course, more cannabis here, check this out. And they don't mind us, I feel. This is the best one. They are just even happy. And people still looking to buy it, stuff like this. So this one is coming with tiger. Okay, just next to the opposite, the Khaosan Spa, in case if you would like to. Many people actually enjoying their massage and all of this stuff. Check this out, people enjoying their time on Khao San Road. And also, some seafood here. All over Khaosan. Pretty loud here in this particular corner, guys, I'm gonna tell you. Not sure if you can hear me actually. I will find out tomorrow when I'm editing this video. But I hope so will be fine. Everywhere actually you can see the cannabis club shops. So cool.
And it's not weekend yet. Imagine how it is when it's weekend.
That's a very, very good point what Winny said. This is just Tuesday when we are filming around 9 o'clock p.m. Imagine here at Saturday night probably must be very wild. But now it's still okay. A loud music. Here we go, Plantopia Weed City. Thailand make a really very brave move with this, but seems like a business is going very well because everywhere you can find the shops like this one. Also Body Lodge here and stuff like this one. Another McDonald's. Look at this car inside next to Vespa. Also cool. In Plantopia Weed City actually. So cool. Actually, you know guys, when I'm trying to make this video, there's so many things to show you, you know, including the Irish bar and everything, but I hope so you enjoy. It's also good sometimes, time to time, to come to the places like this one, to having a look. Also, they're selling the satay here, for stick for 60 bahts, like this one, Thai premium beef. And well, what you can find else here? Well, this is actually the end of the street slowly, but even its end or the beginning doesn't really mean anything because it's so busy, which is actually cool. Some people are scorpion guy here, really good. Thank you, maybe later. That was the vibe, especially in Khao San Road, but also the previous street is also very cozy, right?
Yeah, so I think that it's time to have a dinner for us, and then I just want to have a romantic dinner with my husband. So yeah, I think that we will choose Rambuttri, right? Because
Rambuttri,
more romantic vibe there.
Yeah, this one is for the party. Maybe better also if you came here with your, alone or with the group of the friends. Not so romantic though. But for the party vibes, yes. But previous streets are more romantic. All right.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow from Thailand.
See you next time.